Learn English with Zach and Peter.
Family. Hello everyone. Welcome to another lesson. Today, we will learn names of family members and relatives.
Brother.
Peter is my big brother. Zach is my little brother. He is really annoying sometimes. Peter is really bossy, but I love him regardless. Sisters.
Hey. I am Krishna and this is my sister Ramara. We are twin sisters. That means we were born at the same time. It also means she is not older than me and can't tell me what to do. It also does not mean that you can't listen to me. Anyway, we are sisters. Mother and son.
This is my mother.
This is my son.
I love you, mother.
I love you, my son.
Father and daughter.
Hey everyone. I am just here hanging out with my father.
And I swear I have been held captive by my daughter.
Oh Dad. You are so funny.
Focus on the road.
I love my father so much.
I would love it if you could watch the road.
Husband and wife. This is my wonderful husband Mehmet.
This is my lovely wife.
We are a married couple and we have a life together.
What a nice life it is.
And a nephew.
This is my mother's sister. She is my Aunt Julie.
Zach is my sister's son. He is my nephew.
I love you, Auntie Julie.
Uncle and nephew.
This is my Uncle Peter. He is my mother's brother. This my nephew Peter. He is my sister's son. Okay, Uncle Peter, try not to eat all the snacks. Haha.
Sister-in-law and brother-in-law. This is my brother-in-law, Mehmet.
This is my sister-in-law, Julie. Julie is my wife's sister.
Mehmet is my sister's husband.
Sister-in-law.
This is my sister-in-law. I am her brother's wife. She is my husband's sister.
Grandmother.
This is my grandmother. She is my father's mother.
This is my grandson. He is my son's son.
I love her very much. She is like my second mother.
Grandfather and grandson.
Zach, settle down. This is my grandpa. He is my mother's father. This is my grandson. He is my daughter's son.
Cousin.
This is my cousin Roxy.
This is my cousin Zach. He is funny.
Father and son.
This is my father. This is my son. He is my little boy, and I love him. I love my father very much. Let's get some food. Mother-in-law and daughter-in-law.
This is my daughter-in-law. She is married to my son.
This is my mother-in-law. She is the mother of my husband.
Soul sisters.
This is Laura. She is my soul sister. That means we are not physical sisters. More importantly, we think and feel like sisters. Like a spiritual connection. Exactly. Love you, girly. Love you too.
Niece.
This is my beautiful niece Roxy. She is my loving aunt. For the record, I am the best aunt.
Alien siblings. Hey, I am Richard the Alien. This is my sister Sophia.
This is my amazing brother.
Even aliens have families.
Great job. Nice work. I think we also learned about how important family is. That's right. Family is the most important. Now let's review the words of the day. Brother.
Sister.
Mother.
Father.
Grandmother. Grandfather.
Uncle. Aunt. Soul sister.
Nephew.
Daughter-in-law.
Mother-in-law. Sister-in-law. Brother-in-law.
Husband.
Wife.
Great work. But now it is time to go spend time with our families. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.
Do not forget to appreciate your family.